In the Philippines, provinces are one of its primary political and administrative divisions. There are 81 provinces at present, which are further subdivided into component cities and municipalities. The local government units in the national capital region, as well as independent cities, are independent of any provincial government. Each province is governed by an elected legislature called the Sangguniang Panlalawigan and an elected governor. The provinces are grouped into 17 regions based on geographical, cultural, and ethnological characteristics. 13 of these regions are numerically designated from north to south, while the National Capital Region, the Cordillera Administrative Region, the Southwestern Tagalog Region, and the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao are only designated by acronyms. Each province is a member of the League of Provinces of the Philippines, an organization which aims to address issues affecting provincial and metropolitan government administrations. A provincial government is autonomous of other provinces within the Republic. Each province is governed by two main elected branches of the government, executive and legislative. Judicial affairs are separated from provincial governance and are administered by the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Each province has at least one branch of a regional trial court. The provincial governor is chief executive and head of each province, elected to a term of 3 years and limited to 3 consecutive terms. He or she appoints the directors of each provincial department, which include the Office of Administration, Engineering Office, Information Office, Legal Office, and Treasury Office. The Vice Governor acts as the president for each Sangguniang Panlalawigan, the province's legislative body. Every SP is composed of regularly elected members from provincial districts, as well as ex officio members. The number of regularly elected SP members allotted to each province is determined by its income class. First and second class provinces are provided 10 regular SP members. Third and fourth class provinces have 8, while fifth and sixth class provinces have 6. Exceptions are provinces with more than 5 congressional districts, such as Cavite with 16 regularly elected SP members, and Cebu, Negros Occidental and Pangasinan which have 12 each. Every SP has designated seats for ex officio members, given to the respective local presidents of the Association of Barangay Captains. The vice governor and regular members of an SP are elected by the voters within the province. Ex officio members are elected by members of their respective organizations. National intrusion into the affairs of each provincial government is limited by the Philippine Constitution. The President of the Philippines, however, coordinates with provincial administrators through the Department of the Interior and Local Government. For purposes of national representation, each province is guaranteed its own congressional district. One congressional representative represents each district in the House of Representatives. Senatorial representation is elected at an at-large basis and not apportioned through territory-based districts. Those classified as either highly urbanized or independent component cities are independent from the province, as provided for in Section 29 of the Local Government Code of 1991. Although such a city is a self-governing second-level entity, in many cases it is often presented as part of the province in which it is geographically located. Or in the case of Zamboanga City, the province it last formed part the congressional representation of local government units classified as component cities and municipalities are under the jurisdiction of the provincial government. In order to make sure that all component city or municipal governments act within the scope of their prescribed powers and functions, the Local Government Code mandates the provincial governor to review executive orders issued by mayors, and the Sangguniang Panlalawigan to review legislation by the Sangguniang Panlungsod or Sangguniang Bayan, of all component cities and municipalities under the province's jurisdiction. The provincial government does not have direct relations with individual barangays. Supervision over a barangay government is the mandate of the mayor and the Sanggunian of the component city or municipality of which the barangay in question is a part. Provinces are classified according to average annual income based on the previous 4 calendar years. Effective July 29, 2008, the thresholds for the income classes for cities are: a province's income class determines the size of the membership of its Sangguniang Panlalawigan, and also how much it can spend on certain items, or procure through certain means. When the United States acquired the Philippines from Spain in 1898, the islands were divided into 4 gobiernos, which were further